Hello everyone, thank you for joining us today. My name is Hortense Tiffany coming to you from Children's Museum Houston to share with you about one of our programs designed to get children of all ages hooked on books. We are talking about the Family Literacy Involvement Program, FLIP, a collection of 240 unique literacy activity kits you can access through the Houston Public Library branches. And today, my partner, Tiffany Espinosa, will show you one of those fantastic activities that we can find in the FLIP kits, ideal to extend the fun beyond the reading by making a puppet of one of the kids' favorite animals.
Hello, I'm Tiffany Espinosa, and today I'm going to be exploring a FLIP kit. Let's take a look. Today's activity is based on animals from A to Z, or Animales de la A a la Z, written by João Coutinhas and Pedro Pinto. In this book, we see lots of different animals, one for every letter of the alphabet. Today, we're going to create a puppet to represent an animal for one letter of the alphabet. And I know exactly which animal we're going to make our puppet about. It'll be a dinosaur. What we'll need are, of course, scissors and glue, a paper lunch bag, construction paper of the color you need, and you can also have other materials like felt, foam paper, feathers. Googly eyes are always fun. Tissue paper and yarn. But those are optional. Just whatever you need to make your animal complete or your dinosaur complete. Before we get started, we always need a plan. So think about where your mouth, your eyes are going to go. What color will your dinosaur be? Will you have a green dinosaur or a red one? Will your dinosaur have wings like a pterodactyl or a beak? Will it have a tail or claws? Think about all of these things before you get started, and then bring your dinosaur to life. What letter makes the D sound? That's right, it's the letter D. D makes the D sound. D is for dinosaur. What other animals can you think of? What other things can you think of that begin with the letter D? When you're finished with your dinosaur, you can put on a show using your puppet and some items from around the house. Have some fun with your dinosaur. For this and more fun activities, visit houstonlibrary.org to request more FLIP kits to take home and do with your family. With over 250 kits in our catalog, the love of reading and learning can go on and on. Bye!